To get an account with North Star Online Learning, or NSOL, you will need to find one of our locations. On our homepage, click Build Your Skills. Then scroll down and click Find a North Star location. In the search bar, enter your zip code to find a location in your area. Then select a location from the map. Click View More Details to see more information. Our locations offer different services, so make sure a location offers North Star Online Learning accounts. Some locations allow learners to sign up for accounts themselves. At these locations, you will see a button where you can sign up. Click Sign Up as Learner. On this page, enter your first name, last name, and your email address. Then click Sign Up. You will get an email with an invitation to make your North Star account. At some locations, you can also create an account using your Gmail account. If you create a North Star account using Gmail, you can log into North Star through Gmail and do not need to make another password. To use your Gmail account to log into North Star, click Sign Up with Google. Some locations do not let learners make their own accounts. If you do not see a Sign Up as Learner button, you will need to contact the location to have a staff member sign you up for NSOL. Use the contact information on the page to connect with a location. The location can give you more information on how to get an NSOL account.